Weather stripping around exterior door frames can get easily damaged or worn out, and when that happens, your heating and cooling bills can go up. My door seal was damaged by pets, but no matter the reason, I'll show you how to easily replace the seal to keep the elements out and to help your heating and cooling system run efficiently. Starting at the bottom, use a flat screwdriver and gently pry the weather stripping directly towards the inside of your house. When there's enough to grab, carefully pull more of the weather stripping out, and always pull it towards the inside of your home. There's actually a small channel that runs around the entire door frame. This is where the plastic part of the weather stripping is wedged into. I forgot to get a close-up shot of this channel, but you'll see what I mean once you pull the seal out. Now I'm ready to install the new weather stripping back into the door frame, and it's really easy to do. Starting at the top, take the hard plastic edge of the seal and slip it into the channel in the door frame. Once it's in, the weather stripping will stay in place. Work in small sections by slipping in the seal a little bit at a time. At the bottom, most likely the weather strip will be longer than what you need. So just bend it and try to cut it as close to the threshold as possible for the best fit. On most doors, only the side where the door latches is where I've found weather stripping needs to be replaced. However, I've done entire doors before also. Just remove and replace the other strips if necessary. And if you're looking for weather seal for your own door, I've got it listed down in the description, and it comes in white or brown to match your existing seals. Once this is done, you can feel confident that you'll have a good seal around your door. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.